Start recording. Stop recording. Button.
What's up, guys? Welcome to the channel. Here on the channel, William Ramirez and also my beautiful girl, Dora. Not my girlfriend. Like my beautiful girl bird, Dora. So, guys, hey, Dora! Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. And my mom's gonna be the camera girl for today. Mom, can you hold the camera? Guys, she can laugh, say hi, Dora, scream as loud as she can. Mom, can you hold the camera? Enséñame a mí a... Mami, colgale, no. Dora, Dora, Dora. Guys, look at her plumes. I like to put her feathers down. She likes them up. I don't know why. Look at her big beak. Do it again, come on. Oh, I need to stretch my head for a little. Guys, in the nights, she usually goes like a dog. Do it again, come on. Again. Dora, Mom. Near la camera, please.
Voiceover off.
Dora, come on, come on.
Espérame.
Dora. Guys, she can also say hi, Dora. Mami, silbar, silbar.
Ya, William, ¿no? ¿O te dejo ahí grabando, sí?
¿Ah?
Te dejo aquí parado.
Pero se va a caer, pero no nos va a agarrar a todos.
Ahí estás, cabalito, estás tú y Dora.
Dora. Mira esa cara.
Ya ahorita, espérate.
No sé si sabe.
Ahí estás, William, ahí te estás grabando.
¿Ya ves? ¿Ya? Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on.
Oh, no, mamadita. Está muy fino. No.
Okay, guys. Hi, Dora.
Tú no lo puedes hacer así como agarrarlo con el cuchillo, no puedes, va.
Hi, Dora. Hi.
No, es que yo pensé que tenía la maquinita para que se raspe.
And she's going on her cage right now.
Ahora ese lo puedes dejar para la ensalada de mañana.
Oh, guys, watch as she reacts to girls.
Camera chooser. Stop camera chooser. Back facing. Button.
She's like, Dora, Dora. Guys, she literally has to run. Dora, hi, Dora. Hi, Dora. Hi. Hi, Dora. Hi, Dora. Hi, Dora. Dora. Hi, Dora. Hi, Dora.
Ahora mira mi sobrino.
Dora.
Mira el año.
Hi.
Qué bonito. Niño es.
Hi. Hi, Dora. 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 Hi. Hi, Dora. Hi, Dora. Hi, Dora. Hi, Dora. Oh, guys, I'm so sorry. She bit my phone. Okay. Dora, that wasn't nice. Hi, Dora.
Hi, Papa.
Hello, Dora.
Hi. Sí, ahorita le estoy
Hi,
pegando
Dora.
a William.
Hi, Dora. No.
Todo lo que hace.
I'm vlogging. There's my sister. Yeah. No, I'm making a video. Dora.
Assistive touch. Assistive touch menu. Assistive touch.
Guys, usually when she has music. Okay. Guys, usually when she has music, she likes to dance and stuff. If I had a piece of home. Dora.
Mira los dos hilos. Mira la novela en el tren. Pues María. Mira, te quedas mal. Mira, te quedas. Venía como estaba lloviendo, venía. Ajá, ¿y qué pasó? Y el teléfono no estoy hablando. Ya el teléfono había dejado. Ya había laqueado el carro, ya dentro del carro no había dejado.
Alert. Low battery. Assistive touch. Assistive touch menu.
Guys, wait a second.
¿Te mira la piel, vos? ¿Qué te estás echando?
Assistive touch menu. Close. 10% back. Close. But YouTube back button.
Thank God. Guys, look how she feeds. Dora, in. In. Thank you. Guys, look how she feeds. Look, I'm gonna put the camera a little close.
Oh, ¿de veras? Ah, ya voy a hacer eso, fíjate. Mira cómo se cuida.
Oh.
Bueno, ven, mamita. Te dejo. Bueno, pues.
Look how she feeds.
Ahí te hablo al ratito. Si no, ¿quiere yuca usted? ¿Quiere yuca?
You guys see how she feeds? She wants to close the door. Put the camera in there. Okay. I don't know if you guys can see, but she's right. Oh, let's go a little. Yeah, because she feeds, she's right there. Blind people, Daphne, right that she's black or white?
Huh?
Is Dora black or white?
White.
Okay, blind people. She is white she's a bird, and she was feeding, as you could hear her crunching. There we go. And she has like a round little ball, which is her tummy, and she has a beak. Daphne, what color is her beak? Daphne, what color is her beak? Okay, guys, so blind people, she also has gray, black type thing, beak, and it is 2 inches wide, 1 centimeter, it's 2 inches, it's 2 inches going from down up, and it's 1 centimeter from the side. They get from the top, it's like 1 centimeter. And she also has a beak that looks like a pencil, it's pointy. And yeah. Okay guys, that's gonna be the end of the video. And guys, I haven't posted a video, and next video we have to talk. You have a problem?
No. You have a problem?
You? Oh. Don't sit on that chair, I won't sit there.
What?
Daphne, stop!
I always sit here. You always sit on that chair.
Well, I called it first, so. If I want to lay down, I'll lay down. Ooh, guys. Oh, guys, and,
Guys, you see how rude he is?
I'm not being rude. Okay, guys, that's going to be the end of the video. If you guys want to give me support, you see how rude she is, guys? She said exactly to me. Okay. Oh, so I'm being rude now?
Yep.
No, you're the one being rude. Okay, guys, that's going to be the end of the video for today. And if you guys want to give me support, make sure to subscribe, like, and comment down below. Wait, let me turn it to
Camera chooser. Back facing. Button. Camera chooser. Back facing. Camera chooser.
Okay, guys.
Button.
That's going to be the... Okay guys, that's going to be the end of the video for today. If you guys like this video and want to give me support, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment down below what I should do in the next video. And guys, that has been William and my girl Dora, and
Stop recording.